Boxing time!
Hi! Man, it's sunny. Here we go, some outdoor training. You guys ready? Let's go. Pampainit na round.
Warm up round, warm up.
Straight.
Counter punching. Galaw mo yung ulo mo. Para makatotohanan ha. Kasi mo dyan. Yun. Practical exam. Perfect check. Big check.
Iwan natin yung makatotohanan na hook counter.
Oh, sige, sige.
Pampalin mo ako kung
Ebidensya ko ha. Pag nasampal ko to ha.
para sure tayo hindi chamba go.
Baka matamaan.
Time, man.
Okay, go. Challenge ulit. Uppercut to the gut.
Yung malapit sa bituka. Saan ba yung bituka?
Ayun.
Yun.
Sabi to ka mismo.
Oh, sabi.
Yung talaga football.
Hindi mo talaga sa bituka. Go.
Sabi ni Kevin, ano daw, one power round daw, power round. Sa kanya, okay sa akin. Siyempre.
Sorry, go, sorry.
Quick talk.
Okay, after training, yeah, 4 rounds. I said sparring a while ago, but it became battle to the death. There's a very important question na we have to ask Coach Alvin, guys.
Okay.
When hindi, ito, ano to, pag confrontation to.
Okay.
May maangas na guy, like, you know, tough guy outside.
Oh.
The tough guy goes up to you, and then let's say you had words and stuff. Tapos kunwari, ano na, you're able to dissolve the problem. So, syempre, time to shake hands.
Ooh!
Ano gagawin mo? Pag
Wala, alis ako.